Welcome to Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Dosa. I am Sadanand Parashar from Civil Engineering Department. Subject Design of Concrete Structure. Lecture number 32. In this lecture, we discuss about the numerical of doubly beam by limit state method. This is the question over of doubly beam. In the doubly beam, both side reinforcement are provided, tension side and compression side. Both side reinforcement are provided. In only singly beam, only tension side reinforcement are provided. So tension side reinforcement is AST and compression side steel is ASC. Area of steel at compression side and area of steel at tension side. In this question, which is that design a simply supported beam of effective span 8 meter subjected to imposed load of 35 kilonewton per meter. The beam dimension and other data are B equal to 300 mm, capital D equal to 700 mm, and grade of concrete is M20, grade of steel is Fe415, and determine the FSC and D dash upon D ratio as given in the figure. So in this question is given that this is the doubly beam and effective span is 8 meter. Imposed load is 350, 35 kilonewton per meter. Dimensions of the beam, which is width is 300 mm and overall depth is 700 mm. And here this is the 70 mm cover and here this is the 70 mm cover. So this is the effective depth. For the effective depth, 700 minus 70, which is 630. So this is the effective depth. And in this question are given that M20 grade and Fe415 grade of this grade of concrete and this is grade of steel we take in this question, and we find the value of FSC and D dash upon D ratio. So now we solve the question. So first of all, we calculate all the loads are on the beam, and after the loads we find the bending moment. So first of all, we find all the load which is given in question, which is imposed load, which is 35 kilonewton per meter, and some loads are which is for self weight or dead load of the beam. So we calculated self weight or dead load of the beam, which is B into D overall depth into unit weight of concrete. This is the we find the dead load or self weight of the beam. So we multiply all these value here. Width of the beam, which is 300 mm, and overall depth, which is 700 mm, and we take the unit weight of concrete, which is 25 mm, 25 kilonewton per meter. So dead load is 0.3 into 0.7 into 25. So we get the dead load, which is 5.25. So total load is 5.25 plus 35 kilonewton per meter. So total load is 40.25 kilonewton per meter. Next we find the and a factored load. This load is multiplied with 1.5. This is the factored total load. Next we find the value of factored bending moment. For the factored bending moment formula is WL square divided by 8. So total load is 1.5 into 40.25 into L square. L is 8. So 8 into 8 and divided by 8. So we get the value of factored bending moment, which is 482.96 kilonewton meter. Assuming D dash effective cover we assume D dash equal to 70 mm. So small d equal to capital D, which is 700 minus effective cover of 70. So we get the small d value is 630 mm. And according to the grade of steel, which is Fe415 in the question, we select the XU max upon D according to the table XU max upon D, which is 0.48. So XU max upon D, XU max upon D, XU max upon D equal to 0.48. So for find the value of XU max, 0.48 into D. We provide the D value, which is 630. So we find the value of XU max, which is 302.4 mm. Step first is determine MU limb and AST limb. For MU limb, this is the formula for MU limb, which is 0.36 XU max upon D, 1 minus 0.42 XU max upon D into BD square into FCK. So 0.36 XU max upon D, we take 0.48, 1 minus 0.42 XU max upon D, which is 0.48, B is width, which is 300 mm, D square, D is 630, and FCK, which is 20, and convert in kilonewton. So multiply with 10 into minus 10 की power minus 6. So we get the value of MU limb, which is 328.55 kilonewton meter. Next is we find the value of AST limit. So for the AST limit, formula is MU limb upon 0.87 Fy bracket D minus 0.42 XU max. So we provide the value of MU limb. MU limb is 328.55 into 10 की power 6, and 0.87 Fy is 415, D is 630 minus 0.42 XU max, which is 0.48 into 630. So we get the value of AST, which AST 1. This is called AST limited or AST 1, which is the value 1809.14 mm square. Next is the step second. So for the step second, determine MU2, ASC, AST2 and AST. So for the find AMU2, one value is MU, one is MU1, one is AMU2. From the we find from the according to the load, we find the bending moment. This is mu, and in previous bending moment, which is AMU1, and now we find the value of AMU2. AMU2 is mu minus mu1. So mu is 482.96 minus mu1, which is 328.55. So we get the value of mu2, which is 104.41 kilonewton meter. Here we find the value of d dash upon d, which is d dash is 70 and d is 630. So we find the value of d dash upon d, which is 0.11. Next, which is we find the FSC. For FSC, which is 353 minus 353 for FSC, 353 minus 353 minus 342 upon 5. So we get the value of FSC, which is 350.8 Newton per mm square. For AFSC, AFSC formula is mu2 FSC minus FCC into d minus d dash. So we provide these values. mu2, which is 154.41 into 10 to the power 6, and FSC value is 350.8 minus FCC, which is 0.446 into 20, and small d is 630, and d dash minus d dash, which is 70. So we get the value of ASC, which is 806.517 mm square. Next we find the value of AST2. For AST2 formula is ASC bracket FSC minus FCC upon 0.87 F5. So here ASC we find the value here 806 minus 517 806.517. FSC value, which is 350.8, and FCC value is 8.92 upon 0.87 Fy. Fy is 415. So we find the value of AST2, which is 763.694 mm square. So we get the value of AST. AST is AST1 plus AST2. We find the value of AST1 and AST2. So this is the AST2, and above we find the value of AST1. AST1 is 1809.14, and AST2 is 783.621. So we get the AST value, which is 2572.834 mm square. Next is check for minimum and maximum tension and compression steel. For in compression and in tension, minimum ASC is 0.2% and maximum is 4%. This is for beam area of steel in compression. So we check. So here ASC, which is 0.2 upon 100 into BD, which is 300 into 700, which is minimum ASC, which is 420 mm square, and maximum 4%. So 4 upon 100 into BD, which is 300 into 700. So maximum ASC is 8400 mm square. So our value is ASC, which is 806.517. This value varies between both the values, so hence okay. And in tension, minimum AST is 0.85 BD upon Fy. This is the formula for minimum AST, and maximum AST is 4%. So we provide the values 0.85, B equal to 300 and D equal to 630, Fy which is 415. So we get the minimum AST, which is 387.1 mm square, and maximum AST, which is 4%, which is 8400. So our AST value is, which is 2572.834. So this value varies between both these value, hence okay. So here check our ASC and AST, area of steel in compression, area of steel in tension, hence okay. So we provide area of steel and AST. So we provide the 2 bar of 20 mm diameter in compression plus 2 bar of 12 mm diameter, and in AST we provide 4 bar of 25 mm diameter and 2 bar of 20 mm diameter. It may be noted that AST is provided in 2 layer in order to provide adequate space for concreting around reinforcement. Also, the centroid of the tensile bars is at 70 mm from bottom. Solution by use of table of SP16. So for this problem, mu upon BD square, which is mu is 482.96 into 10 की power 6 upon BD, which is 300 into BD square, which is 300 into 630 square. So we get the value, which is 4.056, and D upon D dash ratio, which is 70 upon 630. So we get the value of D dash upon D ratio, which is 0.11. From the table 50 of SP16 gives the value of PT upon PC, PT and PC value for the mu upon BD square ratio and D dash upon D ratio. The required PT and PC are determined by linear interpolation formula. The values are presented in table and get the final value of PT and PC. So here we find the value of PT and PC, and finally we provide AST and ASC. So AST formula this, and we get the value of AST, which is 2569.26, and ASC, which is we find the value of AST 805.14 mm square. These values are close to the obtained direct computation method, where AST, which is 2572.834 mm square, and ASC is 806.517 mm square. Thus, by using table of SP16, we get the reinforcement very close to that direct computation method. Hence, provide these values: 2 bars of 20 mm and 2 bars of 12 mm diameter in compression side, and tension side 4 bar of 25 mm diameter and 2 bar of 20 mm diameter. Thank you.